The tiger and the brown bear are top of their food chains, and they didn't get there by being nice. The tiger is an efficient and dedicated hunter, striking prey quickly and decisively. The bear is an opportunist, using his power and stamina to take whatever comes his way. These unyielding aggressors cross paths in Siberia, and this animal face-off will be fought tooth and nail. So why did the bear win in our scenario? The tiger struck with all his weight, but the bear absorbed the impact without losing his balance. The tiger's claws cut deep, but failed to disable. And while the tiger was fast and agile, he couldn't deliver that killing bite to the brown bear's neck. The bear's superior power was definitely the deciding factor. When the final blow connected with the tiger's back, it broke his spine, and a crushing bite finished him off. So, despite the tiger's speed and agility, the bear's power won the day.
My tiger